Hey dolls and friends, welcome back and thanks so much for spending part of your day with me. If you're new here, my name is Amber Michon and I do a weekly farmhouse inspired home decor DIYs using majority of Dollar Tree and other affordable items. But if you're not new, hey doll, hey. So in today's video, I'm sharing with you 10 Dollar Tree gift basket ideas. Yes, all of the items come from the Dollar Tree, with the exception of a couple of baskets I got from the Goodwill, but they were only a couple of dollars themselves. I really hope you guys do enjoy this video. Now this video is for all of our last minute Christmas shoppers. So I think that you guys are going to find it really helpful, and you guys should go this weekend to your local Dollar Trees to see if you can find some of these items, or if you have 99-cent stores or any stores that are comparable to Dollar Tree, which I don't think there are many actually now that we're in this $1.25 debate. Go right now because these are going to be great DIY gift basket ideas for anybody that you can think of. I promise you, I have kids, men, women, the age range, whoever likes chocolate, who doesn't like chocolate, I have it all for you guys here. So I really hope you guys do enjoy this video. And if you do, make sure you give me a big thumbs up because it definitely helps out my channel and its growth. If you're new, I love what you see, but also love all things home decor, DIY on a budget. I would also love if you would consider subscribing and hitting the bell right next to it so you're notified every time that I upload. All right, dolls, let's go ahead and jump right in. For the first DIY gift basket, I'm using this brown basket from the Dollar Tree. You can get it in the floral section. They have it year-round now. And then I'm going to fill it up with some white shred from the Dollar Tree as well. And then for this gift basket, I got inspired off of a magazine I got in the mail that had a bunch of like crackers and nuts and stuff. So you get this obviously in the food section. Put some granola bars, some brown brittle, and strudel waffles. Really good high-end, name brand items would go really well in this. And then you can also cover this with those large clear gift bags from the Dollar Tree where you can close it up, but it's a great gift basket. I also put this burlap bow on the front. It's kind of big for it, but I thought it was really, really cute. For the next gift basket, I have another one of these baskets, but this was a Santa belt basket, and I painted this white and put some burlap in it and wrapped it around with some nautical rope. Now, I made this basket last year around Christmas. It was a snowballs basket, but I decided that it would be great for like a cookie gingerbread kind of thing. It's more like a baking basket, honestly. So I just went to the food section in the Dollar Tree, picked up some cookie batter mix. I have this really cute gingerbread coffee mug along with some chocolate chunks and some funnel cake mix. And then my Dollar Trees don't always have those miniature like utensils and spatulas and stuff, but I found this small gray mixing spatula and it went really well inside of this mug. Then I found these candles. So a friend from college, she actually owns a candle online shop and it's called She Is Candles. And I got this gingerbread one and it smells just like grandma's gingerbread cookies. It's so, so cute. So if you're wanting to add something a little bit more to this that isn't Dollar Tree, I suggest going to her website. I will have it linked down in my description box below, but these are some great, great candles for gifts. For the next gift idea, I found this Merry Christmas red sled at Dollar Tree, and then I am going to put some toys in here. So I found these adhesive sticker backings from the crafter section at Dollar Tree, and I thought it would be really great. So if you have any of the odd shaped gifts that you want to put in whatever vehicle you're putting it in. So I'm putting it in this sled and all of my stuff is kind of like square. It doesn't really fit really well. You want to kind of show everything. So that's why I got these adhesive like circle backing things. It's actually not that easy to put them on. It's really, really sticky, but like I feel like all the adhesion comes off when you take it off with your fingers and try to put it on there. So I struggled a little bit, but I mean, it still worked really well. So after I filled the sled with some of that white decorative shred, I then put the games together. Dollar Tree has these name brand games, y'all. I mean, of course, they're not all the pieces that you have in, you know, the regular games, but this is great for a kid. My son Caleb loves playing Guess Who, but he loses the pieces constantly. So this would be perfect for a kid that age. He's 5, almost 6, that loves playing these kind of games. And then I put a puzzle and some playing cards in there and just kind of position them the way that I thought would be really cute. And then I have this black and white buffalo check or black and red buffalo check bow, and I just kind of stuffed it on the side. And you've got a great gift. Next up, I have another lighter brown basket from the Dollar Tree, and then I'm going to put some red decorative shred in here. Now this one is going to be for a younger kid, so I have some of these coloring books, and there are some really great finds at Dollar Tree, basically like name brand stuff. So this is Mickey Mouse and Baby Shark. Obviously, I don't know if you guys know, my son Isaiah is obsessed with Baby Shark, like Baby Shark everything. So this and the one before is actually going to go in my son's, their stocking stuffers or whatnot. But I wanted to show you that you could totally do the same for kids that age as well. So I have these coloring books that I kind of put together, some sticker books, Dr. Seuss and Trolls, some Trolls crayons, a light up ball that they have in the toy section, as well as some more of this Play-Doh. So I put the Play-Doh in both of the kids' baskets, and all kids of all ages love Play-Doh. I don't know why. It gets everywhere and they just dry it out anyways. So yes, I just kind of positioned everything around, opened up the ball and just put it in there. Once you hit it really hard, it lights up. But that's it for this one. It's super, super cute and really easy to put together. For the next gift basket, I found this Farm Fresh Christmas trees box, like gift box in Dollar Tree. Filled it up with a little bit of red shred. So I have this cucumber face mask, and then I have this coconut and cucumber soap, as well as this Dove lotion tin. These Dove lotion tins are the truth. I stock up on them every time I see them at Dollar Tree. They're so, so great. And then I have this LA Colors. It's called Meant to Be. It's chapstick basically, but it's so, so cute. And I thought that it would be perfect in this little gift basket set. It kind of looks like a macaron when you open it and put it in there, but it's just adorable. And just for a few dollars, $5, you have a really nice, like really good name brand gift basket for a young girl or a woman. It doesn't matter. I think this is perfect. My next gift basket is going to be for a man. So I have this tin that I got from Hobby Lobby. It was 50 cents. And then I have this decorative red shred that I'm kind of putting in there. And then I have these really good name brand body wash, some beard balm, and some Old Spice soap. 3 items, and that's it. I mean, men, they don't really ever want anything if it has nothing to do with electronics. So I thought that this would be pretty perfect just to add to, you know, their hygiene collection. And then what I did is took these ornaments from Walmart and I just kind of attached it on to the front of the tin just to give it a little bit more cheerful look to it and more, you know, Christmas gift like. Our next gift basket, I'm actually using this basket that I got from the Goodwill. It was $3.99, and I've actually had it for a couple of years. And this one might be, if not my favorite, the top 3 favorite gift basket ideas that I do have. So I filled it up with some red and white decorative shred. I just kind of mixed it all together. So I have these chocolates pieces. Then I have this hot chocolate bomb, these truffles, Godiva or Godiva, however you pronounce it, and these Forever Rocher chocolate truffle things. I also have some Swiss Miss packages, as well as this really adorable snowman in coffee mug. So the first thing I did is just kind of put everything in there, and then I took out the Swiss Miss hot chocolate packets and put 2 or 3 in the snowman coffee mug, and then filled that up with some red decorative shred. And then I also had this gingerbread bakery sign from Hobby Lobby. Now, it's not going to go in here because I am giving this away, but I just wanted to give you an idea of something else that you can put in there, like a sign or something for whoever you gift this to. And then I have another one of those She Is Candles. This one says, "'Tis the season," and it smells really, really good. After some finagling with this and just rearranging everything, this is a great gift basket. I really like these kind for maybe a coworker, a boss, or maybe an elder that you have in your life that's special, whether it be your grandmother or your mother. And then I have another red and black buffalo check bow that I just kind of tied onto the top. Super cute. Really like it. Next up, super easy one. I found this red top gingerbread and candy cane tin at the Dollar Tree, as well as these cute peppermint spoons. I'm also going to use the rest of the Swiss Miss packages that I had out of the box. So I filled the tin up with some red decorative shred and then put my Swiss Miss packs in there. And because these peppermint spoons are not individually packed, when you give it away, I'm not going to touch these. So I'm going to leave them in the package and then just close up the tin. And then I'm just going to tie these two together. So I'm going to put the peppermint spoons behind it, and then I'm going to tie it together with some jute cord that I got from the Dollar Tree, and just kind of wrapped it around a few times till it was tight, and then bowed it off. For my next gift basket, I actually got this basket from the Goodwill as well. It was $2.99. Had to do a lot of cleaning off on this one because it was kind of dirty. It was really dusty. So what I did first is filled it up with some red and white decorative shred. And then I found this really cute "Together is our favorite place to be," or "Together they build a life they loved" sign from Dollar Tree. I found this diffuser, this candle, and this potpourri. So this has a kind of a color scheme as well. And then I have this Home Sweet Home tin from Dollar General that I picked up around spring. So this is going to be a home decor basket. And I thought it was so cute to have all of these things put together. This diffuser, candle, potpourri. It just kind of goes together in a nice, serene spa-like area if you're looking for that in your bathroom, or even an office space that you have. Just something really cute. And then I put my candle in front of the sign's in the back because it's the tallest, and then angled my potpourri on the other side, put my Home Sweet Home tin in there, but then stuffed it with some of the shred, and then took the diffuser out and all of the instructions and put that in there just so it could have a little bit of height. And then I found another candle on She Is Candles. I think this one is called Christmas Trees. Super cute. It smells really good. And so I just rearranged everything, and I put this one in there because it went really well with the color scheme that I was going with, the greens and the blues. So adorable. I really like this one. I would be happy to get this basket. And then to add another tag, I put a joy ornament. This is an ornament from Walmart. I just tied it around the potpourri bag. That's it. Next, for a really easy one, I have this other purple candle. These ones say refresh, recharge. They're new at Dollar Tree. I haven't seen them before. And then I found this potpourri bag at Dollar Tree as well that is more of the purple. So I thought these would go really well together. I did a gift basket like this last year, and people really liked it. So I thought I'd do it again. I got this decorative ribbon from the Dollar General. It was $2, and all I did was just tied it around both of these items, and then just tied a bow. I cut my ribbon a little too short, so my bow only has one tail, but you get the idea, right? But that's it for this one. Super cute. Alright dolls, that's all I have for you today. I really hope you enjoyed this video and got some good inspirational ideas for some DIY gift baskets. If you enjoyed it, make sure you give me a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. Be blessed, stay safe, and I will see y'all on the next one. Bye! Sweater. It's an ugly Christmas sweater. It's got a tree. It's a tree with like balls and ornaments and stuff at the top. I actually think it's really cute, so you know. Anyways.